Don't you just love antique clothing? Well, that's what we're going to look at today with Alice.
So
I love the clothes.
This was me going around my house grabbing things. I said, Alice, you have a problem. So this is an old night dress. I think you have one of these, don't you?
I do have. I have a couple old night dresses.
So this obviously would have been for an older child, and it's cute, and it's got little initials. PM.
Oh,
how cute, huh?
Yeah.
A linen night dress.
Yeah.
So I actually have this hanging on a door.
Okay.
It's just simple.
Yeah.
You know, maybe that's what they would have hung it. I don't know. I just think it's just so beautifully made.
It's gorgeous.
So I bet it was pretty warm too because it's a heavy linen.
Okay.
So these I will usually either hang on doors,
Yeah.
for the most part.
And it makes it look like people lived there.
Exactly. Part of the store.
Older people.
So we have a couple of bonnets.
These are crazy. Oh man.
Oops. Look at the size of them though.
Yeah, they went on little kids.
So this is probably older, and it probably had a ribbon.
Okay.
But look at the size of this straw hat.
Ah, and look at the craftsmanship on it.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
I could see some little kid at Easter time.
Oh my goodness.
And then this is obviously older.
Yeah. It's still
with the
small.
ribbon, but tiny.
Wow.
Maybe a dressier bonnet.
Yeah.
I mean, they wore bonnets all the time.
Yep, they did.
To protect their face from the sun, I guess.
Wow.
So 2 little bonnets.
Oh, those are cool.
So we'll put those in that pile. All right, let's see, more clothes. Oh, this cape is to die for. So here we have a little cape. And I just got a twig from the yard. And I put the twine
Yeah.
to make a little hanger.
Yeah.
Now you have to see the workmanship in this thing. It's just unbelievable. All these little hook and eye. Look at it.
Oh, it's lined so well.
So
oh
that,
my goodness.
and these are the big wide. Look at the sleeves.
Oh, wow.
I guess those are the, yeah. Pretty stylish, huh?
Oh, wow, yeah. Huh.
How cute is it?
So this is a little tidbit from my life. So my grandmother was an excellent seamstress, and she used to take something like maybe from her old coat, and then she'd cut it up and make something for her children out of it. So even that fabric, you know, whether or not they did that, but even that fabric could have been used somewhere else.
It probably was. They didn't
repurposed.
waste anything. My mother did the same thing.
Okay.
So her grandmother was a seamstress by trade, and so my mother learned to sew. My mother, she could make anything. And I remember when, you know, we were growing up, we didn't have much money. My dad was in service. I'd be waiting because she was finishing up, like she was putting patches on a pair of jeans or pants for me.
Yeah.
I remember waiting till she was done so I could go put them on and go outside and play.
Wow.
But and then I sewed as well.
Okay.
So I guess the textiles are kind of what get me. It must remind me of my mother as well.
Yeah.
You know, and all the wonderful things that she made for me.
Wow.
But this is just, I mean, look at the detail.
That's really cute. Yeah.
It's pretty stylish too. I mean, if you were a little kid wearing this, pretty stylish.
I think so.
So again, I just have that hanging on a door. All by itself, it becomes a work of art. Okay, now we have, now this is more modern, but how cute. It's perfect for Americana.
That was the one you got at Primitive Goods that I looked at a whole lot. I kept looking at it.
Yeah, Jackie had this in her
Jackie
booth.
had that in her booth.
And again, this is, I would say 40s, 50s.
Yeah.
But it, I mean, you could really use this to decorate, you know, Americana.
Yeah.
You could put, you know, something else with it, add some red or something like that.
Sure.
But I just thought it's just adorable. Little velveteen dress.
Oh, it's so
cute.
With
the trim. I mean, you know, the dresses are just so beautiful.
Yeah.
this was probably, and it's, look at it, it's probably, it's old, but
looking
But
good.
look
as
at
new. Yeah.
all right, and then we have these, which I love. So these are sort of what I call drab colors, but I don't know, I like them. And was it just an everyday work dress, I'm guessing? Probably maybe for, I would say like a young girl, maybe a 12-year-old, or maybe, I don't know how big they were, but it's just so simple with the homespun.
Yeah.
So this particular one I have hanging in the other bedroom, and then I hang another one over it, which is this one. This is how I display this one. So you have the kind of yellow creamy wool with the tannish drab homespun.
Mm-hmm.
This one
Beautiful.
has a little tear in it, but how cute is that, huh?
Yeah.
Simple. You
So
know.
how do you find your little dress? Ooh, look at the front with the buttons.
I mean, look
How
at
do you
it.
find your little dresses, Alice? Do you just
You know,
wander?
I'm just, I'm always looking when I'm out. Not necessarily looking to buy something, but I'm always looking.
Yeah.
And I also like to look, because if I see something that I have, it's nice to know, well, what's the current price for it?
Right.
In case I ever want to get rid of it.
Right.
But it's, and I just tend to go for textiles. Well, you all know I love samplers. I love textiles. Well, I love all things.
What don't you love?
I
Is there
love it all.
something you don't love?
No, I don't think there is.
I don't think there is.
This is so darling. It's just a little top. I don't know if, look at the buttons on this thing. Look at it.
No fringes.
So sweet.
Huh.
Again, this is just a cinnamon stick and a piece of twine.
Clever.
This one I actually have on my, the pegboard with all the other clothes and the aprons in the
yeah.
bathroom.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So,
Yes.
So I didn't bring all of those down.
Right.
Because older kids would be wearing that. I'm not bringing them down. But I was just trying to bring the little clothing.
Right. Right.
So we have clothing, but let me get you shoes now.
Oh,
shoes and socks.
shoes and socks.
Because that's part of the ensemble.
Oh my goodness.
Shoes and
Oh,
socks and
Alice.
mittens.
That's amazing.
We might want to break this video in two. So, another fun shoes. Another fun accessory to play with.
Little shoes.
You can put them anywhere. I happen to put them with the little rock. I put them on a little foot warmer beside a rocker. Maybe the child took them off and they're going to warm them up on the foot warmer.
You just want to picture that little child
know,
in these
look.
little shoes.
Look at how cute.
Oh, so cute. Oh man.
And then-
Uh-oh. Does the grandmother bug hit you when you look at stuff like this?
No, I try not to think
I
about
try
it.
not to think about it either.
And then here's a little red pair that I thought. I'm guessing these are older.
Okay.
Obviously well worn. Leather, like let's make
Yeah.
a soft kid leather maybe.
Right. Oh my goodness.
And then you need socks. So,
Oh my goodness.
so here's just some examples of socks. Again, you can group them. These are just little white wool socks. And I just have these placed on a bureau. It's just that simple. These I think I have placed kind of like this. And these I think I have in the children's room over a rocker.
Wow.
Trying to pair the, the blues and the reds. And then if it's cold outside, you need mittens. And here's a mitten. Look at this. Is
No.
this the cutest thing you've ever
Stop.
seen?
Stop already.
So I had to put
No.
I had to put the mitten on it.
No.
So these I keep in my laundry room
Okay.
all year round.
Oh. No.
And then I will maybe put some greens or something to, make it Christmassy.
That's crazy.
So those are the mittens.